Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are in my bathroom and I'm filming this quick little video on my vlog camera. So I'm sorry if the quality isn't as good as my other makeup tutorials. I just wanted this to be like a chill, realistic video. I really am getting ready right now. I'm about to go out for the day and I wanted to try this new little trend called yoga skin, but with my twist on it. So pretty much what yoga skin is with makeup is, I don't know if you guys have ever taken a yoga class, and this is so funny because when I first started doing yoga, I would go to the bathroom to wash my hands after every class because it's just the type of person I am, and I would just catch a glimpse of myself in the mirror and I would notice my face and my skin look so good. Like I would just look really glowy and healthy and like awake and alive, and my cheeks would be a little pink, and I really liked it. And I wondered if that was like a thing, and then I heard about this yoga skin makeup trend and I was like, wow, this is a legit thing. And I would love to learn how to emulate that in makeup instead of having to go to yoga every single day, because not everybody has time for that. So let's dive right into it. First, I think the best thing to use is a beauty sponge, so I'm going to get that nice and wet with warm water and wring it out. I'm using the Real Technique sponge. I would say that cream products are probably the best for this look. I'm not going to be using any powder today really because I just don't think that would look best. So for my base, I'm going to be taking my Beauty Counter Dew Skin. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm obsessed with this stuff. It's so good. It's pretty much like a tinted moisturizer, but super dewy. And I'm gonna do like 2 pumps like that. There is a makeup artist who came up with this technique. Her name is Sarah. I'm forgetting her last name. I'm gonna list all of this info down below. And what she does is she takes an oil, and mine is running so low because I left it on my bed kind of opened and it spilled all on my comforter, and now there's a giant stain on my comforter. So anyways, she also takes a highlighter, like a liquid highlighter, and pumps it into this, but I'm not going to be doing that today. I'm just going to be applying it on the parts of my face where I want it, because I feel like this foundation that I'm using is so dewy, like way dewy enough that I don't need to do that. So this is what that looks like. Super messy. And I'm just gonna stipple that on with my beauty sponge. I don't know if you can see right away like how glossy and glass-like my skin looks, and that's really the goal with this look. It's not so much to look like you have flawless skin. This isn't like a flawless foundation, but it's more like a realistic look, like literally how you would look after a sweaty yoga class, because that's what we all strive for, right? So I know the lighting in my bathroom is absolutely trash, but I hope you can see how dewy and youthful and healthy my skin looks. So something like this is perfect because it's sheer, but it has coverage and it's going to give you an amazing glow. And then mix it with your favorite oil. Mine is this Vitruvi rosehip oil. I love it so much. So next, if you have some spots that you'd like to conceal further, like I have these 2 little red marks on my face from picking at my face a while ago, and it left a little bit of a scar. I'm just going to cover that with a more full coverage concealer. This is the Fit Glow Beauty concealer, and I'm obsessed with that. And just add a little bit of that and a tiny bit underneath my eyes as well to cover up my dark circles. I'm not gonna go too crazy trying to cover it up, even if I see other little flaws on my face. Like I said, I really just want this to look like skin. That's the whole purpose of this look, is for your skin to look very skin-like. So I'm gonna actually be applying my highlighter before my contour bronzer today, because the main focus of this, and I'm gonna re-wet my sponge because it got a little dry. I want it to be really nice and warm and moist because I want this highlighter to glide onto my skin and melt onto my skin. Okay, so next I'm taking my Rituel de Fil Phosphine highlighter, and I'm just dabbing my sponge into that. And I'm going to be applying that on the highest points and kind of like this high cheekbone area of my skin. Because she does mix a lot of highlighter into her foundation, I just really wanted to concentrate it where I wanted to instead of this being all over my face. I feel like this looks better. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking my bronzing stick. This is the Vapor Beauty Solar Translucent Bronzer in the shade Spicy. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of that where I normally do. So another important step is blush in my opinion, because the nice like flushed look is what I'm going for, like flushed and glowy, not so much bronze. Like I really didn't contour. I don't know if you can tell, like it's nothing crazy. This lighting again is terrible. I don't know what possessed me to film in my bathroom today. I just got a chair so I can sit because #lazy. But anyways, I'm gonna be using this Rituel de Fil cream. Well, they call this their Inner Glow cream pigment. You can really use this for anything. I'm using this as a blush. It's in the shade Rapture. And I'm taking the same sponge. You can really just use one sponge for an entire look, you guys. You don't need a million brushes, especially for looks like this, so really natural, everyday. And then focusing that on like the apples of my cheeks. A little bit on my nose. Okay, now this part I'm gonna speed through just like the lips, brows, and mascara. And I'm just gonna put like a little time lapse because this doesn't really matter. This is just all about preference. I'm going for a super natural look, so you do whatever you wanna do. This is the completed skin look. And this is my hair. Super simple. I just quickly blow dried it with this blow dryer. This is my favorite. It's called the Bio-Ionic blow dryer. I believe you can get it at Sephora. And my favorite brush at the moment is the wet brush. I got this one at Ulta. It's really cute. It has like a crystal design on the back. I'm the type of person that's super low maintenance with hair. Like I can spend hours and hours and hours on my makeup, but my hair, I just want to get it over with really quickly. So usually I just blow dry it pretty fast and that's it. This is my natural hair color, but sometimes I do dye it with henna, and I can do a video on that for you guys soon if you'd like. I would like to start doing some hair care related videos if you guys are interested in how I keep my hair long and healthy. And I'm getting a haircut pretty soon. One of my really good friends, she is like a hair queen, and I can take you guys along and vlog that because she actually does dry cuts on me, and I really prefer that over a wet haircut. So yeah, I don't know how this video turned out to be about my hair, but yeah, if you want to see those types of videos, please leave a comment down below. And this is the final skin look. I'm really into it. I'm gonna go out for the day. I feel confident. I like how my skin looks. It literally looks like I just did a 2-hour yoga class without actually having to do it. But yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you guys next time.